no way that these guys are going to be where they need to be in day 10, but they're working feverishly. We'll see what happens.
Trans brake, matter. Bump. Pow, pow, pow. Wind lights.
I'm excited.
We thought we were really far ahead, but there's just so many little detailed things you start to run into as you're buttoning the car up.
Every single team in here could lose their car and be out a ton of money in this competition. If they win, they get to keep their car and they get $10,000. It's as simple as that.
We got too much on the line out here to run some, half-ass bullshit, in my opinion.
Our injector connectors were actually wrong.
Typical brand new car stuff, seeing what might be working, what might not be working. It looks like they're working on it to see if we can get the fuel leak figured out and then hopefully prime the system, no more leaks, and it'll fire up.
Was thrashing trying to get that done last second.
The teams are running Renegade racing fuels. Team MAK is running their Pro 120 Plus. It's a leaded fuel, so it's made for dedicated race cars. It has an engine octane rating of about 117. Specific gravity is like 0.70, right in that range.
It was a little nerve-wracking for a second with some of the fuel, getting fuel things, leaks picked up and whatnot.
So it looks like Adam is just punching in the last few things on the base map, making some changes. Holly comes with some really killer base maps. Things are unique, and so you might need to change things here or there. 3-bar to a 5-bar, dial in the final things on the Holly, and it should be good to fire up.
Our team is some bad motherfuckers. Absolutely.
That thing sounded like a weak.
It literally sounded like an uncapped stock Tahoe.
How close are they? A couple days? We might be done racing before that happens.
But big egos don't get you nowhere. They end up biting you in the ass in the long run.
They still have work ahead of them. They're not done, not even freaking close to done. But the fact that it fired up, it might have still a bent rod or two in there. It's awesome. It's really cool to see.